Hey everybody, Michelle Jacobic, certified divorce financial analyst here from Prosperity After Divorce. Back today with tip 3 of the 5 things that you must know before you accept a settlement offer in your divorce. So, tip 3 is, how much are you really worth? Finances can be fun. No, really. I know that most people are afraid of talking about money, but fear goes away and empowerment steps in when you actually understand the lingo. I actually work as a budget coach and specialize in walking with women during the divorce and post divorce. When the divorce team dismantles at the bottom of the courtroom steps, that first 12 months after your divorce is the most important part. It's super important that you have a handle on the things that it requires to take care of your lifestyle design. And let's face it, after a divorce, everything is usually split in half. However, our expenses are the same or more, and our income is different. So, I think that what happens is women are especially told that it's not polite to talk about money. And a lot of times that's what happens. We give up financial reins and the decision making responsibilities to our husbands. And now, when we're faced with divorce, sometimes we find that we discover that we're lacking 5, 10, sometimes 20 years of in depth knowledge of our own finances. This is the point in time where knowledge is the most important part of what you're doing. And you're going to have to make economic decisions in your life, and you need to be able to bring your own knowledge to the table. Understanding what you're worth is super important. Getting that part wrong can cost you tens of thousands of dollars, and in high net worth divorces, it could cost you millions of dollars or more. So don't whitewash the question of your worth. Even if you are with children, understand that you are the one that's going to be responsible really for claiming your financial reins and understanding what prosperity after divorce is going to look like for you. In almost all cases that I've been involved in, I understand that the opposing party's objective is not you figuring out your prosperity after divorce. People fight tooth and nail to protect their pension, their retirement assets, their living standards, their memberships, and they are not thinking about how you're going to make it. That's going to be up to you. So, working with a divorce professional or a team of professionals that have an understanding and can help you understand what you're worth is going to be super important. Do not let that part go undone. If you'd like more information about how using a certified divorce financial analyst can aid you in the process of your divorce proceedings, be sure to click the link to my website below and set up a time that we can talk and I can answer any questions that you may have.